What's up, everybody? It's the Common Sense Investor coming at you with another video, and I want you to pay close attention to me today, okay? This is very important. I want you to see right here on Legal Eagle that I've set up at my other virtual law office that gives me my assistance in creating my brief, okay? This is what we got. Right now, I'm out of time. I have to wait. All right, but we're at the point of the winnability rate and what's going on. I'm fixing to show you the lawsuit. It is a class action lawsuit, okay? Let's do this. It starts off with the regular stuff, your name, your law firm's name, and so forth. United States District Court, we got to figure out where it's going. It's going to get a case number, and here it is. Class action complaint for violation of federal securities laws. Introduction. This class action complaint is brought by the plaintiff's name individually and on behalf of all other similarly situated, collectively referred to as plaintiffs, who are shareholders of AMC Entertainment Holdings Incorporated against Citigroup Incorporated, herein Citigroup or defendant. This complaint alleges misconduct and breach of fiduciary duties by Citigroup in its role as a primary banker and financial custodian for AMC Entertainment Holdings, herein AMC, specifically related to its misrepresentation of AMC's common Class A stock as it relates to the creation of Brazilian depositary receipts. The connection between Citigroup's actions and the significant financial harm experienced by AMC shareholders is detailed through an exposition of facts and legal principles. The nature of the action. Plaintiffs allege that Citigroup, in its capacity as AMC's primary banker for AMC, owed fiduciary duties to AMC and its shareholders which were breached due to Citigroup's neglect, oversight, and misrepresentation of AMC's common Class A stock via involvement in the creation of the Brazilian depositary receipts. Let me stop right there. We're not saying that they created the BDRs. For the person out there that I'm watching and they're talking about it, they said that they cannot find any proof that they created the BDRs. And we are agreeing with you. We are not saying they created the BDRs. We are saying they are the custodian and the primary banker of AMC, and they misrepresented us, okay? Now let's continue. Nature of the action. Plaintiff alleges that Citigroup, in its capacity as AMC's primary banker for AMC, owed fiduciary duties to AMC and its shareholders, which it breached due to Citigroup's neglect, oversight, and misrepresentation of AMC's Class A common stock via their involvement in the creation of the Brazilian depositary receipts. This alleged misconduct led to significant distortion on a global scale and caused financial harm to AMC shareholders, undermining the integrity of the financial markets. The plaintiffs contend that Citigroup, as AMC's primary banker and financial custodian, failed to adhere to the fundamental responsibilities of asset keeping, trading process integrity, and the regulatory compliance, particularly in the context of the Securities Act of 1933 and the Securities Exchange Act of 1934. The relief sought, and y'all are going to love this, the plaintiffs, on behalf of themselves and all others similarly situated, respectfully request the court to grant the following. Disgorgement. The court is respectfully requested to order Citigroup to disgorge all profits gained as a result of their unlawful conduct. That means whatever they profited from the creation, whether the Brazilian market created them or not, they were the custodians of it, they were responsible, and whatever profits they made, AMC shareholders demand it back. All right, so let me start back over with disgorgement. The court is respectfully requested to order Citigroup to disgorge, take away from, all the profits gained as a result of their unlawful conduct. This disgorgement should be included, but not limited to, any profits gained from the misrepresentation and manipulation of ownership regarding AMC's common Class A stock. They said they own it, and they didn't. We owned it. And Brazilian depository receipts. The disgorgement funds should be distributed equally among the plaintiffs and other affected shareholders of AMC. The request is made under the legal principles that no party should be allowed to profit from its own wrongdoings, especially when such actions have caused significant harm to others. Compensatory damages. An award for compensatory damages sufficient to make the plaintiffs and the class whole for the losses they have suffered as a direct result of Citigroup's misconduct. All right? Got to take a second. I need a drink of beer. Hold on. Alright, I'm back, and this video ought to get 10,000 views, people. Share this video everywhere. Let everybody know we're bringing this class action against these motherfuckers, okay? Prejudgment and post-judgment interest. An order for Citigroup to pay prejudgment and post-judgment interest on any money relief awarded to the plaintiffs. Attorney's fees and costs. In order requiring Citigroup to pay the reasonable attorney fees, costs, and expenses incurred by the plaintiffs in bringing this action. That ought to be ChatGPT, huh? Punitive damages. Where permissible and appropriate under the law, an award of punitive damages against Citigroup in order to punish them for their whatever the fuck, I have to look that word up, conduct, and to deter similar conduct in the future. Stop them from doing this shit again. All right. Injunctive relief. A permanent injunction prohibiting Citigroup from engaging in similar unlawful activities in the future, thereby protecting the interests of the investing public and restoring integrity to the market. Any further relief, such other and further relief as the court may deem just as proper under the circumstances. Conclusion. Through this action, the plaintiff seeks to hold Citigroup accountable for its actions when it misrepresented AMC on a global scale, restore the losses suffered by the shareholders, and ensure that similar misconduct is deterred in the future. The plaintiffs believe that the relief sought herein is necessary and appropriate to achieve these objectives and to hold principles of justice and equity. So there you go. Like I said, I ran out of time with ChatGPT. I have to wait a certain amount of time because it's so overcrowded, people trying to use it, okay? I could probably hit regenerate right now and continue on. But what it's got to do now is I got to take the document that I just showed you over to the citation and research department, and they're going to put the case law and proper laws and rules that they broke when they were custodians of AMC and the AMC Brazilian depository receipts, okay? And as you can see, if you check the Brazilian market, AMC Entertainment Holdings A2MC34BZ, that's the Brazilian AMC shares. And as you can see, it's delisted, all right? And it also has about AMC Entertainment Holdings. I ain't going to subscribe to read this shit, but it says AMC Entertainment Holdings operates a holding company. The company, through the subsidiaries, provides theatrical movie screenings, food, and more. But you see that it's delisted. They delisted this 4 days after Al from Boston filed his lawsuit, and now we're here. The class action complaint for violation of federal security law and hold them accountable for what they've done. All right. So it's still got work to do. I got to go in there and I got to get the citations and the laws of the SEC and the rules that they broke and put the footnotes in it. But by 2 days from now, this will be completed. So please share this video. Somebody is fighting for us. And I love you. Be blessed. And I'll see you in the next video. Go buy the books. It helps out. Love y'all.